guys, welcome back to Mad Life with Posh, and I am Posh, and today I'll be sharing with you all my most favorite 5 red lipsticks. So if you are intrigued by the intro, then let's get started. But before starting the video, let me tell you, if you have not yet subscribed and liked my channel yet, please do consider liking and subscribing my channel, because it will mean the absolute world to me, and as well as it will give me enough enthusiasm to create more content for you all to see. As you can see, I am a beginner in YouTube and I need energy and support from you all to work harder. So without a further ado, now let's get really started with the video. The first lipstick from this range is from the brand Ale18 Color Pop Matte, and this retails for just ₹100, and they are super affordable for any beginner or college going girls or school going girls or any teenager who want to invest in red lipsticks but in a budget. So these lipsticks are matte and it is very beautiful color. It is a soft red color. It goes really well who are wearing sheer makeup on their face. So I'll be giving you the swatches of this lipstick on my hand, and as well as I'll be providing you all with all the pictures of this lipstick wearing on my face without any makeup, so that you can make it up whether to buy these lipsticks or not, or you can consider your purchases accordingly. I hope you can see the swatch of this lipstick, and it is pretty pigmented and my next lipstick is another super affordable lipstick, and it is from the brand Blue Heaven, and it is from their range Elegance. As you can see, I hope it is catching in the camera, and it is a liquid lipstick, but it retails I think for just ₹100, and it is super affordable, and it stays, guys. This lipstick just stays in your lips forever, at least for the good 3 to 4 hours. This lipstick stays on your lips and it doesn't stain your lips. It doesn't feel cheap, but it is super light on your lips, and it is really nice formulation. And the shade number of this lipstick is 10, as you can see here. Now I'll be giving you the swatch of this lipstick. You see, it is a very vibrant red color, and let me wait for this to dry it up so that I can show it to you guys that this lipstick doesn't smudge at all. So let's wait for a few minutes. Next lipstick is from everybody's favorite brand NY Bae, only available in purple.com, and this lipstick is super affordable yet again, but it is slightly pricier than the other lipsticks, and the MRP of this lipstick is $195, but I am sure you guys will be getting it on discount, as there is always discounts going on in Purple or offers going on in Purple. So you can easily get this lipstick for like 160 or 170 price range, and it is a really nice red color. and it is too a liquid lipstick. It stays really long, but I must say this lipstick just tend to chap a little if you are having a dry lip. So I would highly recommend before wearing this lipstick you wear a good coat of lip balm on your lip, and then you will be good to go. So this is the swatch of this lipstick, this NY Bay lipstick on my hand, and as you can see this lipstick is lightly more on the deeper red version than the Blue Heaven one that I had showed you earlier. And let me also show it to you guys now that the Blue Heaven one has dried up on my hand, that this thing doesn't at all smudge. And I will also show it to you guys that the Blue Heaven one, as you can see that it doesn't smudge. The NY Bay one also doesn't smudges away once it dries up. So my next red lipstick is from the brand Maybelline Color Show, and the name of this lipstick is Ruby Twilight and the shade number is 208. This is a very beautiful red color, but it has light blue undertone to it. So if you are from the skin type of fair to medium, you might like wearing this lipstick. But since I am a British skin tone girl, and if you are from the British skin tone to slightly darker skin tone type girl, you may not like wearing this, because I wear generally this lipstick on my daily usage. Whenever I go out for like 3 to 4 hours, I generally put on this lipstick and I go out, because even if this smudges away, since it is a cream lipstick, it leaves a beautiful stain on my lip. But once it suits in your skin, then you are good to go, because Maybelline is my own favorite brand of all the other drugstore brands, and I really love their formulation. But I just don't know, this lipstick, if I wear it for more than 5 hours, then it makes my lips go very patchy, and it is very subjective. I think this depends from skin to skin, but this lipstick, if you are not having any problem, you can definitely try it. But the price range of this lipstick is little bit higher than the other 3 lipsticks that I had already reviewed, because it is from the price range of 300 or 350, but definitely below 500. And the swatch of this lipstick is right over here. As you can see it, that it has that bluish undertone to it, and it definitely smudges away once you eat anything oily or smudge your lips with anything, any tissues or anything. My next red lipstick and the last of this lot is from the brand L'Oreal Colorish Red Carpet Limited Edition lipstick, and it is a very beautiful red lipstick, and it is a creamy red matte lipstick. I think this is my second lot of this lipstick, and the packaging, I must tell you guys, the packaging of this lipstick is just bomb. You can see it is all velvet, and the golden work that is happening over here is just so beautiful. It feels so luxurious, and the price of this lipstick is little bit higher because the price is rupees 750, but in Nykaa there is always a sale going on. You can always buy this on a sale. You can see this red lipstick can easily give a run for a money to MAC Ruby Woo, but I just don't know, I just love this color more than the MAC one, and it is super affordable. If one wants to buy the MAC lipstick, then one can really try this lipstick because it is a real dupe of that lipstick. And the shade name of this lipstick is L'Oreal Colorish Cannes Limited Edition 999 Red Carpet. Remember this, guys, it is 999 Red Carpet, and it is a beautiful red color, and I highly recommend you all to buy this lipstick. With that, we have come to the end of this video, and if you have liked my video, please do like, comment, share, and let me tell you that your each like and your each comment means the whole world to me. So it is a bye from my side, and see you next time.